Alicia, and I will teach you how to create and save a document in Microsoft Word. To open the Microsoft Word, click the Start menu and click All Programs. And then find Microsoft Office. And then the Microsoft will open on the screen and it's blank. And then enter a document. When the document is finished, then click on File on the standard toolbar at the top of the screen. And then click the Save As. And then click Save. And you're done. You created your own document. Thank you for watching. And again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like.